Hey there, beauties. Today, I'm here to share with you 5 easy ways to boost hair growth and improve your skin using dermatology tips. First off, make sure you're getting all the essential nutrients your hair and skin need. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A and E, and biotin into your diet to promote healthy hair growth and skin regeneration. Next, don't forget about hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your skin hydrated and supports hair follicle health. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day for beautiful skin and hair. Additionally, protect your skin from harmful UV rays by wearing sunscreen daily. Sun damage can lead to premature aging and hair loss, so make sure to shield yourself from the sun's harmful effects. Lastly, don't forget to pamper yourself with regular skincare routines and hair treatments. Treat yourself to a facial or hair mask once a week to nourish and rejuvenate your skin and hair. Hey there, beauties. Today, we're talking about how transforming your mindset can lead to clearer, healthier skin. First things first, it's important to remember that acne is a normal part of life for many people. Instead of feeling insecure about breakouts, try to shift your perspective to focus on self-love and acceptance. Next, make sure you're taking care of your skin from the inside out. Eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep can all play a role in your skin's health. By changing the way you think about your skin and taking care of yourself both mentally and physically, you can achieve the clear skin you've always wanted. So remember, it's not just about what products you use, but how you treat yourself overall. Uplift your mindset, uplift your skin. You've got this, beautiful.
Hey there, beauties. Today, I wanted to talk to you about some common mistakes to avoid when trying to repair your skin barrier for consistent results. First off, one common mistake is using too many active ingredients at once. While it may be tempting to try all the latest trends, overloading your skin with too many actives can actually do more harm than good. Remember, less is more when it comes to repairing your skin barrier. Secondly, another mistake to avoid is using harsh physical exfoliants. Scrubbing your skin too aggressively can disrupt your skin barrier and cause irritation. Instead, opt for gentle chemical exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs to help promote healthy cell turnover. Remember, taking care of your skin is a journey, not a sprint. Be patient and consistent with your skincare routine, and you'll see long-lasting results. So, avoid these mistakes and watch your skin barrier thrive. Stay beautiful, inside and out.
Hey there, beauties! Today, I want to share with you some mindset tips to help boost your skin barrier repair for a healthy and glowing complexion. Firstly, it's important to stop stressing over every little blemish or imperfection on your skin. Remember, perfect skin doesn't exist, and it's okay to embrace your natural beauty. By reducing stress, you can help your skin barrier function better and improve its ability to repair itself. Next, practice self-care and prioritize your well-being. Get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, and stay hydrated. These simple habits can make a big difference in your skin's overall health and repair process. So, remember to take care of your skin not just physically, but mentally as well. With the right mindset and self-care practices, you can boost your skin barrier repair and achieve that radiant glow you've always wanted. Uplifting ending sentence, let's show our skin some love and watch it thrive. 2 hearts sparkles.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share some delicious smoothie ideas that will not only satisfy your taste buds but also boost your self-esteem. First up, we have a refreshing berry blast smoothie. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, this fruity concoction will leave you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. Simply blend together some mixed berries, a banana, a handful of spinach, and a splash of almond milk for a tasty treat that will make your skin glow from within. Next, let's indulge in a creamy avocado dream smoothie. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which are essential for maintaining healthy hair and nails. Combine ripe avocado, coconut milk, a scoop of protein powder, and a drizzle of honey for a luscious drink that will make you feel like $1,000,000. Remember, taking care of yourself is the ultimate act of self-love. So why not treat yourself to one of these delicious smoothies and boost your self-esteem from the inside out? Uplift your spirits and nourish your body with these delightful creations. Cheers to a